In this module, we are going to talk about unprecedented economic growth due to spread of diseases. Pandemic. A pandemic refers to a disease or virus that spreads across the geographical borders and has tendency to spread worldwide. Global climate change also increase the risk of pandemics. For example, malaria and different types of influenza. Again, we have to understand, is it only the global climate change that is going to, spread that pandemic or different diseases? Or again, there are some human activities, rivalries, jealousies towards other nation states that they are getting more as far as their weapons are concerned, or their other security measures are concerned, and to counter or to deter those nation states, other nation states started, having some nuclear tests or other tests in which that they are emitting different kinds of, I would say, harmful elements which are damaging the environment. We have to think on it also. Managing any pandemic is challenging. Balancing the desire to eradicate a disease with the necessity to manage sudden outbreaks poses other economic problems, local and international difficulties of managing diseases outbreaks, especially when the West using some unnatural or against the nature methods of living in a family or in a community. That may also cause diseases. It is not only, I would say, the global warming or the climate change that is causing that pandemic or diseases. There are always human activities which are going against the nature, and they are living a life that is against the human body. Therefore, when human body stops producing more antibodies, that is a natural process. So that cause severe diseases. In 2015, it was stated in the report of World Health Organization, that is called WHO, quoting, death toll from malaria continues year on year. In 2013, there was an estimated 198 million cases of malaria and 584,000 people died, unquoting. Although mortality rates are dropping, but access to treatment and prevention is still unavailable for millions of people, especially poor countries that are more likely to be affected by global climate change. Again, I would say that usually when state leadership or state itself is unable to perform its duties, it happens. Although rich and poor lacuna play a vital role in eradicating or creating more diseases, but on the other hand, state responsibility seems missing, especially in poor countries. Wider implications of sudden outbreaks for a probability to lose a job and low per capita income, allocation of extra budget for health, and understanding of the reasons that health impact of global climate change will be different. Diseases can be more prevalent in some areas than others. When we are not taking care of our surroundings and not taking care of cleanliness, obviously there are more chances of more diseases. What are the effects? More sick leaves affect the performance of companies and organizations. Inability to take appropriate financial decisions, amount spent on laboratory tests, treatment, and medicine exceeds income, economic burden on the household due to more spending on health issues because state is not willing or unwilling to have more budget on health issues, especially in poor countries or developing world.